Good morning friend, welcome to TechPoint Solutions. My name is Ganesh. If you are new to this channel, then please watch all the video. And if you like the video, then please hit the like button, share, press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. In this video tutorial, we will go through a scenario based question related to source table and target table. Consider the scenario. We have source table and target table and we want to identify new records in a source table, identify mismatch between the both the tables and identify the data from the target which does not exist in source. To understand in details, let us go through sample example. Consider that we have source table which contains ID and name, and we have destination table having the same column name ID and name. Now, look at the source table ID 6 which is actually new in a source table which does not exist in destination table. Now, look at the ID 5 in destination table which is new in a target and does not exist in a source table. And look at the source table ID 4, their name is Rohit and there is a mismatch value in the destination, that is it is showing as Samir. And we have to write a query to find all these statuses and we want to write the output as ID, name and status. So, we want to find what are the new data in a source table, what are the new data in a target and what are the mismatched data in a target. This is what we have to write a query. So, let us go to SSMS and write a query to find these data. Let me show you the table first. Select star from source, this is what our data, and select star from destination, let me this specify destination, this is what our destination data. Now, first we will find what are the new data in a source. So, select star from source table source and here we will use a not exist in a where condition, where not exist and inside a bracket we will check select top one of 1 from destination table D where D dot ID is equal to S dot ID. So, this will give us the data from source table which does not exist in destination table. Press F5 and we have got 6 ID 6 and name is Akash. So, let me this take status as here new in source as status. Now, let us find next what are the new data in a target table. So, we will use the same logic here except that we will take a destination table first here, star from destination at T where not exists, select top 1 from source table S where S dot ID is equal to D dot ID and this will give us what are the data destination that does not exist in source table. So, result is 5 and the name is Vijay, and let me give this as new in target as status Let me show the data again. Yeah. And now let's find out what are the mismatch data in a target. Here we will use the same logic here. Select star from source S where exist, because we are using exist here because we want to check the name as well. That is why we are taking only exist. Select top one of one from destination D where t dot id is equal to source dot id, but their name is different, that is d dot name does not match with a name. Now let's run the query, press F5 and we have got id 4 and the name is Rohit. And let me take this as mismatch in target as status. And now simply put union all here and we will get this all data here. So this way you can write a query to find what are the new data in source, new data in a target and mismatch in between the tables. There is a other way as well where we can find out all this data. So let me show you. Select star from source, yes, but we have to perform a full join here with destination d on d dot id is equal to s dot id. Now just let me show you the data. And now you see here these are the matching data. I do not want this matching data, so we have to put some conditions here where this is the source id null, here is null but here is 5. So either s dot id is null or d dot id is null or s dot name does not match with d dot name. Press F5 and we have got 3 and now we have to put some case statement here to get the status, that is case when s dot id is null, that means sorry, so we have to put here is null, then we have to put new inner source and when s dot id is null, then new in target. And the third condition, when s dot name does not match with d dot name, then mismatch in target. And let me end this statement as status, press F5 and we have got the same data, new in a source, new in a target, mismatch in a target. But in case of this method we are using a full join and which is not good in perspective of when we have large amount of data, because when we do join, so the statement will check each value with the against large amount of data. So in case of not exist, it will just check whether the value exists or not, and it will check only once. So, and it will return the flag value. So whenever we have large amount of data, so this is the best way to find out this scenario based data. So this way you can write a query to find this source data, target data and mismatch in data. Thank you very much. If you like the video, then please write your feedback in the comment box, and if you like the video, please hit the like button, share, press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, and I will see you in the next video.